When counting backwards, what number comes next? So it's really important to always read our problem. So before we get started, let's just write out our number line very quickly from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. So now it's important to remember that counting backwards means that we are going to be going to the left on our number line. Okay, so backwards means that we are going to be counting towards the left on our number line, or we're going to be counting so that our numbers are getting smaller. If we were to count this way on our number line, if we, for example, counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would be counting forward, so our numbers are getting bigger. But when we count backwards, which is what we're doing for this problem, we actually count so that our numbers get smaller. So we would do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and then the rest of the numbers. So you can see the numbers are getting smaller. So here we have 5, 4, 3, and we want to know, well, what number comes after 3? So let's go ahead and find 5, 4, 3 on our number line. And I think I found them right here. So I have 5 and 4 and 3, and then we end up at 2. So we know that 2 comes after 3 when we're counting backwards. You have to remember that. We're counting backwards. So the correct answer is going to be 2. We read it as 5, 4, 3, 2.